of professional motocross racing. And today is All Challengers Day. Anyone wanting to race against the pros is welcome to rev their engine and try their luck.
Luck's got nothing to do with it. This woodpecker runs on high-octane skill. Time to warm up.
Well, grind my valves. That's the kind of guy I've been looking for.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Yep, I like your response. Yes, you'll do.
I'll do what?
Mr. Woodpecker, how would you like to make $1 million?
$1 million bucks?
Where do I sign?
Snazzy Motorcycles is proud to make you its new spokesman. And you get to ride that in the big race today.
Wow!